Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to create a group chat in Instagram. So it is easy, so make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First of all, open Instagram. Now tap on chat option on the upper right corner. Once you tap on chat option, then tap on pin icon on the upper right corner, and here you should select your friends you want to chat with and create a group with. So here Instagram gave me the choice to select my friends, so I'm selecting some of my friends. After selecting the friends, tap on chat option, your group will be created. So that is the method. Hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.